Okay, now we've come to the charting part of our Wilson lesson. This is the practice part where I will point to 5 words. You're going to practice dividing them first and then combining the syllables to make a real word. First one, as an example, if you were to divide it, CK stays together, rock, et, rocket. I'd like you to try the next one over, very similar word. Packet. Jacket. Let's try a few words that have a different syllable division rule. 2 consonants between the vowels. You divide between them. Bas, ket. Basket. Try this one. Magnet. That's right, you guessed it. The name of our class pet. Nugget. Last one. Velvet. Okay, now you're ready to read a full list of words using the same strategy. Separate syllables, put them together.